Hi guys, welcome to JK's channel. I'm here in Haikou, the capital city of Hainan Island. I am chasing the traditional flavor here. Now, let's go and seek it. This street is called Zhongjie Road. I have heard that there are many different kinds of local food in this street. This restaurant is called Sister Lee Snack Bar. It provides seafood, pork pho soup, and Hainan rice noodles. If you are the first time here, you can order a set, including a bowl of Hainan rice noodles, a bowl of pork pho soup, and a bowl of seafood. It only costs $5. In this street, you can find some local drink and fruits too, like the guava with salt and chili, and the fruit tea as well. There are two kinds of guava here, the white one and the pink one. The white one tastes very soft and the pink one is a little bit hard. The fruit tea is really very fresh. It is made of guava, watermelon, pineapple, and the passion fruit. It's really delicious. There are many local fried snacks too. Of all of them, I love the fried shrimp cake best. Look, I found the most local drink called pandan jelly with brown sugar. That's also what I like. Now, let's enjoy the drinks and the snacks. Thank you for your watching. Have a nice day.